The 6th of November 2023 BPLRT Disruption. What was it like? So, it was just a random day at 4:30 p.m. And I caught trains on Servisa, so I went to investigate. I knew it was a train disruption, so I went to check SG trains. It said it was perfectly fine. But I still went to investigate. Let me tell you how it all started. So this afternoon me and myself was taking the train back home from Chongqing, and then I realized the next train was 14 minutes after us and something was sus. Then at Tech Y the service switched to Servisa and I thought it was a signaling fault. But then at Senja I found 128131 stalled there with its front hood open, and I immediately knew that it caused the train's disruption. So, it looks like there was a train bunching after the incident. Train service returned to normal after that smiley face.